Yeah, just 4. Which one is going to be of these 2?
Both.
Both. I can only do 1, and it's going to be the one that you use when you purchased your firearm.
I don't even remember. I have my.
To be honest, sometimes it doesn't matter, but yeah.
I think I put Hispanic, so I'll just do the Hispanic.
Oh, okay. And then that's the up-to-date address, current address?
Yeah, everything up to date, yeah.
And then I do see it says federal limits. Did you have like a passport or birth certificate?
Not on me.
Because you do need one every time to purchase ammo. You'll need one every time. So if it says federal limits apply, unless you had the real ID.
Mine says the same thing.
Yeah.
I have my passport at home.
Yeah, I don't know how long it's been since you guys purchased ammo.
It's been before COVID. For sure.
Really? Yeah. Because they changed it to where when it says federal limits, it kind of limits you. So you'll just need to provide an additional document, which is either a passport or a birth certificate.
Didn't you guys used to do like a quick background check? Is that going
That's what
away?
we still do. We still do that, but they're asking for more now. So they're asking for that additional. It used to be where take your ID, go run in the back, and you come back in like 2-3 minutes.
Could I get like somebody to take a picture of it? Does that work?
No, because we have to scan them. We have to keep a copy of your ID and then that birth certificate or the passport together with your paperwork, because if ATF audits us and we don't have those both, we get fined and we get our license taken away pretty much.
Gotcha.
So that's why they ask for that. That's, to be honest, that's going to be everywhere you go. So if you have the federal limits, you have to provide that additional document.
Yeah,
Some places are different, though.
Me buying my gun when I bought it, they were like tripping on that.
Yeah.
I had to bring my passport in.
Yeah, unfortunately, it's only happening because of the real ID. So if you get a real ID, you won't need any of that additional stuff. But to get your real ID,
that's basically like a second verification.
Yeah. So that's why with that federal limits, you just have to provide that additional one.
Gotcha. All right. Well, I guess we'll be back then.
Okay, no problem.
We took an L at Big 5. So going to the house, get our passports, get this ammo, start our day. Made it back to Big 5. Got our paperwork in hand.
2 boxes of that. And then he was gonna take some 40.
Yeah, that'll be totally separate.
So that's it for me.
Is it for you? Okay. Need your ID.
Sales to cleats, please. Sales to cleats.
Okay. This is your current address?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Be right back. Right. 111.95 is the total.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, I'll take those other 2 boxes.
Okay, so I'll need your ID.
Yeah, I was gonna say
What?
6 even
Macaroff?
Yeah.
unless you have massages.
So we only have ammo for 40 and 45 right now.
That's right. You should. What do you think I should choose? 40 or just 45? Just to keep people coming in. Maybe.
We have a 9 of 40.
What did you guys bring today?
I brought 40 Glock.
So
40?
Glock 19 machine. Or you don't even know yet. They already.
This is all your ammunition right here?
Yeah. So just name.
We'll have everyone print and then sign next to your name.
See what target we got. Huh.
Sorry, Daniel. That's all right. I don't have a black pen. Got it right here. What type of... Let me try to do that.
You gonna go first?
You want me to shoot your target or what?
No. I told you those guns, you gotta get a real one. Did I say that? Nah, but you said it's the spring though?
I think so.
Show you what a real Glock's supposed to do.
Fucking target.
Go tell him. That was nasty, these two.
Fuck, the gun jams, bro.
I told you. Now put some more rounds to it and see. And it's already greased up and everything. Sell it.
Where's your Glock at?
Right here.
Your shit's hard to take off.
Yeah, it's a bit.
This is yours.
You don't think it's different with the... Nice.
Ah, damn, brother.
Nice.
First time, bro. First time.
That fucking 45, bro.
Holy shit, man.
Massive fucking holes.
Dude, I didn't even get out of the... It was doing so good.
It was.
Okay, so 45. Hey, bro.
Your gun said, not today.
He's got the fanciest one, too.
I told him before he bought it, like, those guns people make, they're kind of sketch because they jam up. Glocks don't jam, baby.
Oh, get your target, bro.
Going for that long range. They don't even slide back smooth.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, you got red dot, that's why. Nigga. I could go long range. That's nice. Holy shit.
Hold it back. Hold it back. No. Is he?
Fucking air. I called it.
Did it come out? Is it?
That's fucking so dangerous. That's so fucking dangerous.
It's out?
Yeah.
We got 2 more.
Two.
Just stick the bullet in the barrel. Hit the side lock, yeah.
All over that head, boy.
I'm just shooting down range. I'm not gonna hit his target.
He sold you a lemon. Sheesh.